Hey everybody, this is Eric Clark's Travel Videos, and I'm here in Viterbo, and I'm going to that place. Isn't that amazing? It's just incredible. But I wanted to start here so I can show you a trick. So when you get to this spot, let me show you around a little quick. So this is like the upper deck where the buses park, and that's the church, the Francisco church. But there's an elevator here. And I didn't know this last time until I saw it before, or afterwards. So yeah, instead of having to walk all the way down those stairs, boy, they're really dirty glasses. You can, instead of having to climb it, probably more than anything, huh? You can take the elevator. And the elevator dumps you out at the bottom because there's no bridge over there. So then you have to walk all the way down to the very bottom and then start walking your way back to the very top. And it's pretty amazing. And I think there's a tunnel that has like an escalator in it, if I remember right, or something. There was something, but I'll go look at that. There's some art over here I wanted to show you too. And this was here last time too, so it must just be permanent art. And again, it's been years on years. But it's like a person that's like, it's like almost like a Dante image, you know, where, you know, Dante, that people are like sinking into the earth and it's caving in around them, or not caving in, or they're just sinking. But you can see parts of it right here. So you can see an arm reaching up, you can see a face, you can see another hand, you can see a leg. But these are huge. These aren't little things. Let me just walk across this nasty, dirty field and get over to here. So it's like a person that's fallen into the ground. It's like he's silted over. So you can see his head here and his little hand sticking out right there. And then you can see his arm reaching up and one leg and then a foot. And he's screaming, it looks like. He certainly doesn't look happy about the whole situation. That's that tunnel over there that I'm going to go in and see if I can go up. So this is it. And you can see the arms sticking out. And 1 foot way over there. And they painted his toenails black, which is really silly. And here's his leg. And they graffitied his hand. Anyway. And they graffitied his nose too, and it looks like they tried to fix it. Oh, and they graffitied in his mouth. Man, I tell you, somebody loves somebody. Painted his nose black. Anyway, okay. We don't care about that. We're going up there. And let's see what this sign says. More literature. Go, Eric, go. Go, Eric, go. Buongiorno. Americana. Turista. I don't know. Viterbo. Oh, so passage Viterbo. From the beautiful medieval walls that surrounded the town, blah, blah, blah. Fountains and city of life. Huh. Situated on the north of Rome. Pause, please. I'm not going to hang out here because I'm going to see if I can catch that elevator with them. And here's another sign, Viterbo, Dante Viterbo. It is very likely that Dante traveled twice along the Via Francisco towards Rome. The first occasion was in 1300 as a pilgrim. The second time was a member of the embassy. Florence, popolo. He knew the local dialect, il volgare, from when he mentions the town specifically while speaking to Tuscan dialects. Okay, we tend not to have any dealing with the inhabitants of Perugia or Veto, Viterbo, or even Città. This may very well be the most convincing clue suggesting that Dante knew Viterbese people. How you doing? Buongiorno. And that's the city up there that we're going to. And this might not be. Oh, it is. It looks like an elevator up there, doesn't it? He's whistling. Ho-de-do! Ho-de-do! Grazie, grazie. Oh, it's hot. Yes, yes. Thank you, thank you.
Oh, you're welcome. So we are going to
You from
Arizona.
Arizona. Oh,
Arizona?
Nice.
You have good English.
Yeah, because we live in Florida.
Oh, you live in Florida.
Yeah.
Now you live in Florida?
No, we are
before.
from Italy. We had a restaurant over 20
in-
years.
Right.
Boca Raton.
Boca Raton,
Yeah.
Florida, yeah.
So, but what
Yeah.
are you doing here in Viterbo?
Just travel.
Why?
I do videos, YouTube videos.
Yes, I
You'll be
know.
on YouTube.
Okay.
Say hi to YouTube. Yes, go ahead.
Thank you.
Bye, bye, bye.
Ah, grazie, grazie.
Thank you. I think this way. Okay.
Boca Raton. Yeah. America's not so bad.
No, I'm not.
Oop, nah.
It's beautiful.
Yeah.
From Italy, the life is really
Yeah. I like Italy a lot. It's slow, it's peaceful, it's quiet.
a lot of history. That's
Yes.
Viterbo is a very, very old city.
Yes, yeah.
So you're going to enjoy.
Yes. I've been here before.
Ieri qui ci hanno girato.
No, I'm here for a month.
Oh,
Yeah. Not in Viterbo, in Rome. So I just go to city, Bracciano, and places,
you're
and
going to enjoy Latium.
the square. Yeah.
Everything is and now it's really quiet.
We like quiet.
There is the Ferragosto.
Wow.
Beh,
Oh, everybody's on holiday. Ah, that's beautiful.
That's the square.
Ah,
And that's the Pope.
the Pope, the Papal.
We have the Pope
Sì.
over quanti anni?
oh,
The Vatican, it was here over 50,
no,
50,
cinquantina.
50 years. We have the
50
Pope
years.
in the
Here.
Yeah.
Wow.
And that's the building.
Wow.
They live
Boca Raton doesn't have this.
Not the same.
But there is the beach and the light.
Yes, it has an ocean. Yes,
Yeah,
yes.
the ocean,
Beautiful.
the beach, and that's
Yeah,
So you're going to enjoy.
I will.
Enjoy and have a look inside.
Beautiful.
The cathedral is very, very nice.
Yeah,
Some Pope just build over there.
it's amazing.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Di che può andare anche dentro.
Yeah, you can go inside.
Do you have to pay? You have to pay.
You see the series of the Medici? The
Medici?
The Medici?
Oh, they live like
they
in
met
Florence.
here.
Ah,
No,
okay.
but they
They're
met
here. Ah,
Yeah,
okay.
because they say that in Florence, but they made here.
Bye. Grazie, grazie. Thank you. Wow. Okay. And that's that tunnel I was telling you about. And this is the Pope section. And I think you have to, well, we might as well go see it together and see if we have to pay, huh? I think you had to buy a ticket or something to go out here. And there was really only a little thing to go out here, but I think it's just that view. Maybe not, though. No, I think you did. Just going? Do you have to have a ticket?
Yes.
How much is a ticket?
10 euros.
10 euros. And what do you see?
The Papal Palace with a lot of size, the Etruscan Capitano, frescoes from the 16th century, the church with the sacristy.
And does it cost to go to the church? Does it cost to go in the church? No, the church is free.
Yeah, it's free, but you have another guy that explains you everything also.
Okay. I'll come back. Okay, grazie. Thank you. But I think I came through here once before, and the biggest thing was this view. Yeah. Huh. Let's go to the church first. 10 bucks ain't all that much, but you have to imagine that it cost me $12 for the train ticket here, and then $10 for this. Let's just say on average, every trip I take costs $30 bare minimum. If I did a trip every single day, we're talking, and that's bare minimum. That doesn't include a soda, a beer, sitting down, a sandwich, a pizza, or nothing. That's just all the basic stuff. So 30 bucks if I did one every day, that's $1,000, 900 bucks, right? Let's go in the church. I'm going to stop the video and we'll call it a done deal here, and then we'll start a new one. Bye.